Let me show you how to use the lift-off feature for the Shark Navigator. I've got multiple different models. I've used older models that were made 10 years ago. It's still the same. So as far as I know and I can tell, this will work on your Shark Navigator no matter what model it is. So at the base of the vacuum, you have this little switch here. They're all red in my case. You're gonna push that little switch there, and that will release it so you can remove it from the actual vacuum head. Then you can place it back on. In most cases, it'll click and lock back in there, but sometimes it doesn't always. So sometimes you do need to press it down a little bit firmly and quickly, and that'll get it to latch on easier. But if not, push down on the bottom there to lock it on. When it's locked, it'll be back in place, and then you can use it as your traditional vacuum. Let me show you that again here on this model. So again, you're gonna push up here at the top of the button, and that will release it. When you're all done, push it down, it will click and lock. Now, if it doesn't, let's say here, for instance, you put it down and it doesn't lock on, you want to go ahead and push that. It'll lock and latch it into place. Then it'll be reconnected there with the vacuum head. Now, also, it is good to note, I've got a question here from somebody, and I'm not sure what they're dealing with if the vacuum head isn't connecting here, so I showed you how to fix that. But if your canister keeps coming off, note there are two little latches here on the side of your container here for your dust bin. On the side, two latches here. If those are not in place, this will keep coming off. So you do want to make sure that you do lock those when you're all done emptying out your dust bin. So if you're having an issue every time you pick it up, your canister comes off there, that will solve that issue. Those lock and latch into place. You can go ahead and pick up your vacuum, move it around as needed. Hopefully that was helpful. Now I do have complete tutorials on how to use the Shark Navigator, walking you through all the different functions and features. You can feel free to check out that video next. Also, if you like carpet cleaners, spot cleaners, carpet shampooers, that's what I do on this channel. I've got tons of other videos and content. Feel free to check out some other stuff on the channel. Again, my name is Drew. I'll see you in the next one.